causing utter devastation when we step into the place. And better believe that you can see we gonna rock and never stop it. Here we go again. Hit you with the flow again. Pick it up the second time around. We bring it on again. Shout it out.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got blood on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place. Sing it.
We will rock you. We will rock you.
Come on.
How about a little something, get you in the mood? Know what I mean? Watch your back, we got Queen on this track. Bring the feedback and let it drop. As long as 5 bring the funk, Queen bring the rock, and it don't stop.
Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street. Gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, you big disgrace. Waving your banner all over the place. Sing it.
We will rock you.
We're gonna rock you, baby.
We will rock you.
We're gonna rock, yeah.
Come on. What?
We're gonna rock you, baby. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes. Gonna make you some face someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Somebody better put you back in your place. Yeah. We're gonna rock you, baby.
Дорогие друзья, поздравляю вас сегодня с замечательным праздником. Сегодня с вами работали мастера спорта международного класса, многократные чемпионы мира и Европы. Не оставайтесь равнодушными к своим детям, к воспитанию. Приходите заниматься к нам, занимайтесь спортом и сами тоже меньше лежите на диване. За физкультуру! С праздником, друзья!